Thank you for watching. If you could like and subscribe, you would help me grow this channel. Thank you. Good morning. So today I'm down here at the Daymark in Kingswear. Lovely little location. This iconic landmark here. Used to guide ships into to navigate the mouth of the Darts. So there you go. A little bit of knowledge for you. Okay, so this morning, let me have a look. I'm shooting at. Let's turn that down. Actually, ISO is too high at the moment because when I first set up, it was different. Okay, so this morning I'm shooting at ISO 640 f4 at a 40th of a second, just because it is quite bright. So I also have got a KF filter on. Okay, so I'm using a KF polarizer and ND filter, which I find quite good because it is very versatile. I'm just going to darken it down using it on the front there. Actually, let me show you how this works. Okay, so I've deliberately pumped up my ISO just to make the screen bright and just to show you how versatile this ND filter is, because you've got a few stops. So by moving the front, I can just spin it around, and as you can see in camera, you've got several stops of light you can increase or decrease, which comes in really handy. There's also a polarizer as well, so it's quite a versatile filter. One of my go-to filters, to be fair. Okay, so I've moved around slightly to the right. As you can see, the sun's still shining. Absolutely beautiful, really beautiful start to the morning. What I want to try and do is we've got some nice shadows forming here. We've got the light coming in through the structure. I'm going to try and get a sunburst on the side of the structure there, and some shadows here in the foreground. I'm not sure whether you can see these shadows in camera or not. I don't know, but they do look quite interesting. It does give you a leading line into the structure. Hopefully it'll edit quite well. We'll find out later when I get home. Because we're shooting into the sun, I am getting a little bit of flare. I mean, I'm shooting f22 because I deliberately want the diffraction to cause the starburst. So if you shoot over roughly about f11, you'll start getting diffraction, and you're going to achieve starburst. It will happen on bright lights. Okay, so it gives you that nice starburst look. So f22 is going to give me maximum diffraction, which then is going to cause the best starburst. But I'm also introducing a little bit of flare into the foreground, which I don't want. Okay, so a good tip is to just put your hand over the sun. Especially if you're going to bracket and you're taking more than one shot, put your hand over the sun, take a picture. So that's going to stop the flare in the foreground. Remove your hand, take the picture, and then blend the two together, or three together. And then you should be able to remove the flare in the foreground by simply just blocking out the sun. Obviously, don't take a picture with just your hand. That would be stupid. Okay, so that's another sunrise in the bag, and I wasn't know what to expect today. Really, I didn't think the conditions would be that great, and we didn't really have the cloud in the sky, but we did have some nice vapor trails, which are normally clone out, but they did add some interest. So I'm quite excited to go back, see what I've got, yeah, hopefully I've got some nice images. But we'll see. You never tell until you get home. So on that note, I'll see you all again. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks once again for watching, and like I said, if you can please subscribe, you would be doing me a big favour and helping me out with the YouTube algorithms. Thank you, and until next time, bye bye.